kabilang team. Number 1.
Bike lane.
Bike lane. Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Bike lane is correct. 1 point. Number 2.
Pedestrian lane.
Pedestrian lane. Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Pedestrian lane is correct. Okay? One last. Para sa premyo. Number 3. 5.
Section.
Intersection. Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Ano yung nakadrawing sa intersection?
Yellow.
Okay, anong tawag doon? 2 words. First word starts with letter Y. Second word starts with letter B. Is that your final answer? Final? Yellow box is correct.